All right, you want to see me hit Frosty's hat?
Yep.
Oh, wait, we already did.
Oh, you're gonna hit us.
Okay, well, I don't really know what all's gonna happen today. Last time I was here, the spinnerbait was the lure, but conditions are a lot different today. This is the first day that we've had like no snow left on the ground after the big crazy winter storm came through. Don't know if the fish are gonna be shallow and active like they were last time. I might have to throw the wacky rig a little more, throw maybe a Ned rig, something like that. Something a lot more finessey. We don't have any clouds in the sky today. There is a little breeze on the water, so might be able to catch something on a spinnerbait. Yeah, we can get a little bit of a wind, a little chop on the surface. Spinnerbait might play.
Hey, if you don't mind, cause you like go down a little bit farther. I'm afraid it's green. My last pass is gonna be about right here.
Yeah, no problem.
It drift on you. I think the wind is kind of blowing back this way. So.
Yeah, no problem. All right, thank you.
It'll take me about 10 minutes. Like.
Thought that was it for me, guys. Thought that was it. Got a fish. There's one. A dinker. A dinkeroonie. Well, wacky worm strikes, but I mean, when do you ever expect the wacky worm not to? Got my worm still. We'll re-rig him up. This might be the move today, but I don't know. I don't want to spend a lot of time on dinks. But it's good to catch one. Sometimes you just gotta catch one, get things started. There's one. There's a fish on the spinnerbait. That is dink number 2. There he goes. But it's a really good sign because he hit the moving bait. And we're gonna hope that the big ones are doing whatever the little ones are doing. Man, I absolutely just tore them up in this spot last time, and I'm not getting any bites, so it kind of makes me wonder. That's a fish. Decent fish. Oh yeah. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass on the spinner bait. Look at that, guys. Nothing crazy. He's pretty cold, so I guess that gives me an idea of what the water temp is like. Well, that is good to hook one. All right, well, we got bit by a decent fish on a spinnerbait, so spinnerbait looks like that could be the ticket. I don't know. Anyways, it's kind of one of those things where like they're hitting the spinnerbait, but I kind of feel bad. Like I don't like making 2 videos back to back that are basically the same thing. And I mean, I was literally out here in my last video throwing a spinnerbait. So I don't know, maybe I'll think of a way to change it up in a minute. Throw something different, but it's just a good option for today. You gonna fall anyone? There's a fish. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, he's decent. He's decent. He ain't bad. Put it that way. Yes, sir. Chomped on that spinnerbait, that's for sure. Well, he still ain't big. Just about a pound. Oh well. Get in there. 10 out of 10. Well, that'd be a spinnerbait kind of day. They're just coming out of the grass. I threw right up past that and was coming by it, and he just cracked it. I mean, I guess they could be on that same pattern up by the weeds, but I don't know if the big fish are going to be moved up yet. That's my one thing. So what I might do is go around the whole pond. If I don't catch anything decent, I might have to change up a few of my tactics, you know. There we go. There we go. There's a fish. Sometimes you just gotta give them the old, whatever the technique was I was just using. It's kind of just like pulling and stopping. I don't know. I feel like he hit it a couple times, but another little guy. Red, red, red lips. So that means he's eating crawfish on the bottom, but I don't know. Not a biologist, just a fisherman. 10 out of 10, perfect dive. Okay. Well, that's good. It's been a while since I felt a bite. That's fish. Oh, could be good fish. He ain't moving. There's a little guy. Oh, that's fun. Big old bucket mouth. Okay, I just want y'all to see that I didn't do anything. Like I didn't mess with him or anything. I'm just gonna take this out and show y'all. That is the craziest thing I've ever seen. There's no way that's supposed to be in there, right? They don't eat those, right? What? That is insane. That is insane. I'm trying to get it out. No way. I mean, there's no way, right? That's crazy. All right, let's get old buddy back in there. Torpedo. Boom. I better keep casting here, I guess. That had to have been an accident, right? Like I was dragging him on the bottom and he inhaled that or something. I have never heard of such a thing in my life. If y'all have, I mean, if y'all know anything about what just happened, leave a comment, because that's, I've never seen that in all my days. I've never seen that. I just don't see how they could eat it. Like if that was on purpose, I don't know. So he's just gonna digest the shell and everything. Oh, that was a little guy, but that was a dumb hook set I just tried to do. Just tried to give him the business for no reason. There's fish. There's a fish. A little guy. Man. Maybe something just hit the population really hard out here. I don't know. Not seen any big fish. But they're chomping. Adios, amigo. Well, it seems that there are still some bass alive out there after snowpocalypse hit us very hard down here in the south. You know, I think I'm pleased with the way the fishing went today. Like I've said before, anytime you can catch them on a spinnerbait, it's a lot of fun. It's a good day, especially it's February still. I wish we didn't have that big setback with the winter weather the past week, but we should be getting warmer weather soon, which means the spawn's coming. And just incredible fishing is coming. I can't wait for topwater. I miss topwater so much, guys. Leave a comment if you miss topwater too. But anyways, guys, smash that like button for me if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. That's the biggest way you can help me out, help us grow, and let's just keep having fun with it. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.